Today we're going to talk about your car seat manual, a very, very important part of your car seat, but very often overlooked. Now, your car seat manual should be clearly written in understandable English and should be available at point of sale, and you can ask your sales attendant to show you the manual of the car seat that you are interested in. This is very important because the care that the distributor take with a manual is an indication of the care that they take with their car seat and their service to you. Now, this manual, it contains very, very important information, and this is regulated by Regulation 4404 as well as Regulation 129 as to what information must be contained in this. Now, first of all, it should clearly indicate which car seat this manual goes with the name, as well as a picture that shows you which car seat you are using, and it gives you the information of the groups that this car seat cover. So at first glance, you already see exactly what this car seat is all about. So once you've gone through your important notices, all the bits and pieces of your car seat, where to put it in the vehicle, and all that information, you get to the installation instructions. Now, this is very, very important because if your car seat is not installed correctly, it cannot protect your child during a crash. So once you get to this part of your manual, it will give you clear diagrams of how to install your car seat, and you have to read it with the installation stickers that is on the side of your car seat, as well as the belt route indicators that is on the car seat. So those three things go together, and you need to make sure that you know how the pictures in your manual matches up with the pictures on the side of your seat and with the seatbelt guides on your seat. And make sure that you do this for every installation as you progress through your car seat. Thank you for watching. If you have a car seat your child has outgrown, consider donating it at your nearest Superquick. Together with Wheelwell, we can help protect children and save lives. For more information, visit superquick.com or wheelwell.co.za.